Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing?
Guys, what's going on, everybody? I hope y'all are doing well, staying safe, staying blessed, and welcome to the channel, the family, and the crew. I just got back in from Walmart and Dollar General. As you see, I had to go get cleaning supplies and stock up on a few more things. So I'm gonna go ahead on and just kind of start. I had to go get 2 more things of water. If y'all have seen my vlog, where did I go? When I went to, what's that, Walmart? When I went to Sam's, and I told y'all I just didn't have any more space. I did pick up 1 thing of water from Walmart, but I didn't have any more space in that basket either. So I said I had needed to go get 2 more. So I took Alicia with me today, and I got 2 more things of water. And then I have to go get my medicine and fill up medicine Friday. So I'll pick up 4 more things of water. But when you pushing these water in these baskets, they be heavy. I don't know about y'all, but they be really heavy. Hold on, something's missing over here. Wait a minute. Somebody must have came in here and got a juice. Oh. But I gave him a juice. You know how, as mamas, we know, because I gave him 1. I put 1 in the refrigerator. He came and got another. Okay. So, oh, well, he got 1 in the freezer. I had forgot to tell him. Sorry about that, y'all. And I told y'all that I was going to record when I was doing this stand for you guys. And I'm not sure which channel I'm putting this haul on, to be honest. I'm not sure which channel this is going to go on. If it's going to go on Alicia's Southern Crew or the Hauling with the Crew. But I'll show them again. I'm going to probably just put this on Hauling with Alicia's Southern Crew. But on my main channel, I was saying that I was going to show y'all when I set this up. But I cleaned the kitchen today, and I just honestly was in my zone of cleaning, and I didn't even turn no camera on. I'm going to get back to the haul in a second. So I just stocked up some stuff on my refrigerator, got rid of some cereal boxes that just had a little in there. I still kept my pasta containers. I got chips and the rest of the cereal and pasta on the refrigerator. And then I got the rest of the chips and all Philip's stuff on here. And I put the bread on there, Philip juices, and on the bottom row, I have my onions, potatoes, and the potatoes that Alicia bought. And I'm going to stock the rest of my water up. You know, just stock them on top of each other. And then fill up oranges. Okay, now back to the video. I got 1 more case of drinks, and I'm just going to put those up in my room. I've been wanting to get one of these little dish things. And, you know, as women, we buy stuff that we need for the home, but if it's extra stuff that you really don't need but you want, it's always like pushed to the back. But I said I was getting one today because, like, when I'm pre-soaking certain dishes before I put them in the dishwasher, I wanted to get me one of these. And y'all know they have the smaller ones for $1, and these run like $1.38 or $1.48. So I went on and got one, and I got a you know, just a regular brush to do my pots and certain things, you know, that I need to scrub off. And this was only like $1.58. And I'm like, why don't I just get this stuff when I need it? But again, as mama's other stuff come up important, like we barely can just get what we want. And I know you like, girl, this is still household stuff. It's still you working. But I'm one of those OCD people. I love to clean. So it's things that I have in my mind, like when I'm cleaning, I want to get this, or if I'm watching my ladies' videos and I'll see they have stuff like this, and I'm like, I want to get me one, and then something else pops up. So I got it today. I was like, I deserve it. I made, you know, I got my little bonus money from my job. If you guys have not seen that vlog, I put it up on my main vlog channel. I got a raise and a bonus on my job, so I wanted to take it and buy some stuff for the house. Just like a mama, right? You think I would have bought me some clothes or something, but no, I bought stuff for the house. So anywho, I got a thing of Finish. I usually get the Walmart brand, but I just wanted to try these. Well, not trying, but get these. I got 200 count plates, and yes, I just got plates, but I wanted to get some and stock up. I got a thing of Mr. Clean, and this will go in addition to the stuff I got from Sam's, and that other thing of the lemon pine sol, and I'm gonna show y'all where I stocked that at. I got one thing of Dawn, the big one, and then I got 3 of the smaller things because I'm just gonna set these out so they can use first. I got 1 Barkeeper's Friend because I want to use this for just the stove, and then 2 more things of Comet to go with bleach. The Comet with bleach, and this will go along with the one that I had got me one and Mama one, but I don't think I had did a haul on that. That's when I mentioned I went to the store, but I didn't haul nothing. And I found 2 more of the Microban 24-hour multi-purpose cleaners, so I'm gonna stock them up. And 2 things of flavored water, the wild berry, 2 Kool-Aid bursts for Philip to just put on his stand. This is the cherry and grape. I got a berry punch, the great value, and these are like $1.10. 1 great value of orange juice, no pulp. And then I got the Tropicana Caribbean Sunset. I wanted to try this out. And then I got the Tropicana Strawberry Peach. I wanted to try that out as well. Mama asked for 1 thing of chocolate milk. She asked for 1 6-pack of root beers. And then I seen that they had the Dole Strawberry Lemonade, so I wanted to try that out. And this is 1 of the Watermelon Berry Boom Hawaiian Punch. That'll just kind of be stocked up on the stand. Also from Walmart, I got an 18-pack count of washcloths because I like to just use all white when I'm washing my face, and I'm trying to get Philip in the habit of using all whites when he washes his face. From Dollar General, I had needed a bath rug because the floor be so cold, and I only have 1 in front of my tub, and I got tired of putting towels down, so I was like, let me go ahead on and just get a thing of bath rug. I looked at Walmart, and they had some there, but they didn't have the color I needed, and these are the ones that'll match my shower curtain. And I know I had mentioned in one video that I'm changing out my shower curtains this spring, or if I don't, I can still get a color that has this blue in there and still keep them, still keep them down. And then from Walmart, I had to get some of these for my chips. And Dollar General, I got this trash can for my room, and it just says trash. Also from Dollar General, I got some more of these meal preps, and I don't do any meal preps at all, so I'm not gonna tell y'all I do. I get these for Philip for his lunch because it's easier for me to just fix his lunch and his fruit and just put them in containers so he can grab them and go. And I got me 2 more pillows. These came from Dollar General. I got a garbage can from Walmart, and I think this one was $14, and I just got a small one. Y'all remember when I got the big one? Because I told y'all they go through a lot of trash, which I noticed it's more paper plates than anything. But I'm like, Philip don't use paper plates. I usually just give him containers to put his food in, and they gonna use less paper plates because I'm tired of buying big garbage bags, and he'll go through so much garbage that's unnecessary. So I'm getting a small one because I'm going to eliminate a whole lot of stuff. Like when I tell y'all, we finna start eliminating things, and they going to start switching up how they do some stuff, because I usually get my garbage bags from Walmart, and I think it's like 40 or 50 count for $7 and something, and that's not bad, but they'll go through them before the money's out. You would think that would last a long time, but no. And I'm like, that many people don't even live here, so I'm done with it. So yeah, I got a smaller garbage can, and this is just a 13.3 gallons. I could have got 13.1, but I didn't. I got 13.3. Gave him another little 2 gallons. And then from Dollar General, I found this True Living. It's the blue lava, And this smells really good. So I'm going to put this one in Philip's room, because I like to light his candles when he's online, especially when he's doing reading, because I've noticed it helps him a lot when I burn them in my room and he comes in there and read. And then I got this one for my bathroom, and this one just says Stolen Hoodie, and it's a comfy cotton coupled with a hint of cologne, soybean scented candle. And if y'all know me, y'all know I love a good male scent, and this smells really good. It smells like one of them Bath and Body ones, and they was both $5. I got the 30 count of 2A batteries. These run like $6 at Dollar General, because I'm not paying that much at Walmart, because Riri got Philip some Energizer batteries for his game, for his remote, and he went through them things quick. And I was like, I'm not paying that much for no Energizer batteries. And I'm like, boy, do you have to start taking your batteries out? Because even if the game not on, it's, and I don't know, like they just be running down real quick. I don't know. So then these here, the 3A batteries, I bought for this because he needed a clock in his room, and I just seen this one and thought it was cool. It's a LED projection clock, and it takes 3 of the 3A batteries. And then I got one Sprite, 2 little ice trays, and we did get some ice. I got a thing of ice from the little ice shop down the street from us, but I've been wanting some regular ice cubes, so I picked up 2 of these from Dollar General. And I got these from Dollar General because I was switching them out. Y'all know, like every 2 months I try to switch these out. And let me tell you, I was trying to get a 4-pack of these from Dollar Store, but y'all see, somebody stole 2, and they was just sitting there like this. And the lady was like, how do you just steal 2? Because she looked all over and couldn't find them, and she was like, she know they wasn't put out like that. So she just charged me one price, and these here was $3. So all she charged me was $3, because I wasn't going back to Walmart and I forgot them. Then I got a potato peeler, and I got one more thing of kitchen shears. And if y'all remember my last video, I was telling y'all about kitchen shears. I got another one. I already showed y'all this. Alicia, this is her stuff. And then I got a thing of Scott paper towels. I showed y'all the plates. And oh, and then Mama asked me to get her some icebreakers. She liked these little gums, so I got her the kiwi watermelon and the strawberry lemonade. Alicia got a Slim Jim, some Haribo. These are the sweet and sour gummies, the snakes ones. She got her one of these little soap dishes for her bathroom. 2 things of incense, and it's the spiritual and strawberry. And then she got her one of these Turby twisting ties. She got her little holder for her incense. She got her some post-workout, which she was meaning to get the pre, but she ended up picking up the wrong one. And she got the fruit punch one. She got her thing of Jif peanut butter, strawberry banana blend, and a California style vegetable mix. I'm going to pick up some of these, but I want to get them from Sam's. So when I do my stir fry, and if not, when I go to Frugal's, I'm going to get them, because I know I can get 5 for $10 for a big pack. So yeah, so I think that's it, you guys. That's all I got. And believe it or not, my total at Walmart was only $101, and my total at Dollar General was $34. So yeah, I went in there, like I said, on the budget. But I know, like I said, it was just like these little things like this that I told y'all that I wanted to kind of get, because it's a little bit easier for me when I'm cleaning. And the rest of this stuff, like I said, it's just to stock up, because I know it seems like I'm going to the store a lot, but I've only taken 3 trips to the store within the last couple of days. And I only got one more trip to take, and then I won't have to go back out again unless we need milk and bread. And like I said, that stuff I can do pickup. But since I was kind of putting myself on bed rest for 2 weeks in January, because like I mentioned with my Graves' disease, it pushed me back on stocking up. So instead of me making one trip and being out all day and tire myself, I broke it down. So yeah. But like I say, Friday when I go to get my medicine and fill up medicine is when I'm going to go to Sam's. And then after that, anything that I do will only be a Walmart pickup, because I won't have to go back to Sam's until God's will. like maybe 2 months or so. But you know, like I said, we'll see. But it won't be, like I said, constant trips. So yeah, and sometimes, you know, it takes a bit to kind of stock up on stuff that you know you need. I know I had a few ladies that was asking me, how did I hear about a possible shutdown? And it's just from our local news, stuff that my mom be watching on TV with ABC News, and they were saying possible shutdown coming in March. And yes, we still in January, but because of my health issues and mom be going back and forth to doctors, and I have to do a lot of online stuff with Philip, and then my job, I can't afford to just keep going to stores and putting myself at risk either. So if I can just go a few times and prep up and then I'm done, it'll be easier for me. And then after that, like I said, it'll be Walmart pickups from then on out. Unless I have to go in the store. And when I go in and out. That's why y'all haven't been seeing any walkthroughs, because I literally go in that store, have my list, get right what I gotta get, and get out. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I love you all. Stay blessed. Again, if y'all are not subscribed to my main vlog channel, please go ahead on and subscribe. The link is in the description box below. Also, make sure y'all are subscribed to my Instagram, Snapchat, and follow me on TikTok. All of that is also in the link in the description box below. And we'll see y'all later.